Hello YouTube. Today's example or today's program will be sum of integers from a list of integers, and this will be our input, and the expected output should be 10 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. Today we'll try and do this program using Java language. Okay, so this is how we do. There's an error here. Let me save it like this. So before you have this Java runtime environment, or you need to have a IDE before you run a Java program. Before that, you need to make sure that your system is having JRE, and then you have to install an IDE. And this course or in this tutorial, I'm using an Eclipse IDE right now here. So once you open Eclipse IDE, and you should be able to open a Java project like this using File New Java Project. That is the first step to do. Once you open a Java project, the directory structure should look like this. To that, and in the tutorials I have created a package like com.tutorials, and I have opened a class like this. Using a class, it's very easy to open a class instead of creating one like this. And if you want the main class to be there and the main method to be there in that class which you're creating, you simply check this box here and give a name to a class like this, some random name. Okay, right now I've created a sum class which is having a main method. Once we execute this main method, it should show some output, but right now here nothing is there, so nothing will display. So since our problem is to add the list of integers, let me initialize a list of integers now. Int integers is equals to, and initialize 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So right now I'm giving the one which is giving the problem statement, so we'll be going for that. So before we have to store the list of, or the sum of integers somewhere in a variable. I call that variable as int result. So I'm initializing it to 0 because simply just like that. You can use any kind of iterations. You can use while loop or for loop for printing the result, but right now in this tutorial I'm using a for loop. So I'm using an iterator known as int I is equals to 0, which starts with 0 and it will go until the last iteration. So for every iteration on a for loop, we are using a iterator I, and it will run through all the list of integers here, and then sequentially it will add that particular data to the result. So I less than, I'll go with integers until the integers length is completed, or the length of integers here in this case is 4, but the number of indexes it has is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I plus plus iterator, I have added the iterator. Yeah, that's good. So a result is equals to result plus integers of index I, since that is our iterator. So we need to print our output system dot out. You can print any string here like this output. You can append your output like this using a plus iterator or any variable here. Right now result is our variable here where we have stored our information. So once you run it, there will be an output on S10 here. You can also use a different kind of addition here. I'm just commenting it, and I want to show it in other way. Result plus is equals to integers of like this. So it simply means it's a shortcut for result is equals to result plus integers. This is a shortcut. Even if you run now, it should give the same result. Yeah. And this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you like it. Please let me know if you want any of your problems to be solved. Please comment in the comment section. Yeah. Thank you.